You can enhance the camera capabilities of any phone by using third-party camera apps, which will help you to do some manual tuning to the settings. If you wish to go the free way, I will highly suggest you to try out Open Camera app. Open Camera app is very powerful for the price because it's free. For a free software, it has a lot of capabilities. It can have a lot of codec support. It can have various video settings. It also has various manual photo settings. One of the best thing about Open Camera for photography is that it can take exposure bracketed photos. Like if you can create truly HDR images using Open Camera. It's not possible in most of the stock camera apps where you get 3 exposures at different levels, but in Open Camera you can set it to take bracketed exposure bracketed shots using your mobile phone, which is a very good feature on mobile phone. But to take exposure bracketed shots, you need to have a tripod or some arrangement to keep your camera steady. The thing that I don't like about Open Camera is that the interface seems very clunky. For a new user, it can be pretty overwhelming because there are so many options within the camera app that sometimes you get lost. So try Open Camera and explore the possibilities using Open Camera. One of the best thing about Open Camera while doing video is that it can track your face so that your face remains in focus during the whole shooting process. Like if you put your camera on a tripod and if you set it to face tracking, and it will automatically adjust the focus on your face. So that's a very good feature of Open Camera. Many of the stock camera also has this feature, and it also supports external microphone. There is a thing that it does not get the external microphone input by default. You have to enable it by going to the settings. So this is one thing about Open Camera. So this is one of the apps that I highly suggest you to try out if you don't use any third-party camera app.